here. Welcome back to my channel, Mrs. B Lux LVOE. I'm Sarita. If you're new here, welcome. If you are already, I guess, seasoned a little bit, because what I've been here, 4 months? Welcome, welcome. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, I'm showing y'all, this might just be part 2 of my birthday gifts, and I might have a part 3, but I'm still, I don't know. I don't even know what to call it, waiting or whatever. And I'm not unwrapping my hair, so I have a hat on because I don't feel if I unwrap it, I gotta wrap it back. So it's Sunday and I'm not doing that. So I'm excited about this because, well, yeah, I'm gonna do this one first. This is a little gift that I got. I have a home, what do they call it? The home luxury candle, and it lasted a year and a year and 2 months of burning. Well, off and on, not burning all the time, but usually I just burn it on the weekends. So that's what I wanted for my birthday. When my husband was like, well, what else do you want for your birthday? And I was like, well, nothing really big, but I did want another candle. And he was like, well, which one? Just let me go do it. It's always better that way. So here we are. I usually have pomegranate Nior, but this year, well, from what the lady told me, now they have in the home, which is the biggest candle they have, peony and blush suede, I think it is. I have that in the scent as a spray, but I never had it as a candle. But smelling it, it was good. So I pray God that it's strong like the pomegranate Nior, because that one is just, every time people come over, they're like, what is that? In my bathrooms, I have red rose diffusers. And in the living room, well, the whole main area of the house, I have pomegranate Nior. And Nior, yeah, I think I said it right. When I tell y'all, and I was going to get the smaller ones for the first time, but I had the little ones that were like $70, I think, or $60. They weren't strong enough for me. I had them in the bathroom at our old house and it didn't do it. So that's when I opted for go big or go home. That's my issue. So skipped all the way from little to just give me the biggest one. Here we are. I have another one. This is how big it is. And it's heavy. It's 88 ounces. And the only reason I didn't get this one in the pomegranate, they didn't have it. They had lime, basil, and mandarin, and I don't really like that one. I want to try it probably in the one that's 21 ounces, which is $210, but since they had this one in the home luxury size, I went on and got it. So let me unbox it, because I don't know how I'm gonna take it out of here, because she had a struggle. They were out of the bigger bags. Last time I got a gigantic bag. Okay. Let me see. That's it. Look. Okay. So let's open it. So I'm gonna try to hold it up while I open it, y'all. This thing heavy. It comes with the little foam topping. I've never ordered one, but I want to order one if I can get my initials or my name on the candle. It smells amazing. I'm excited that it's going to smell, because the pomegranate Nior, to be honest, when I went up there, I was like, okay, I'm going to probably do the lime basil, because I know it came in the big size, because I wanted something different. The pomegranate, from what I saw, was more of a warm scent, but I like to have like the warm feeling at your house, you know, like comforting and warm, and you know, like that. But I wanted something different, and I was like, okay, after research and finding out, the ones that are 200 or 21 ounces, this one's 88, so I would have to buy 4 of those to add up to this one. This one is $525, and it's 88 ounces, and the smaller ones are 21 ounces and $210. So let's take it out. Oh God, I forgot. I think she took these side things out. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. I think I hear my husband just getting here. Oh God. Okay. I'm gonna have to do it like this. Oh Lord, y'all. Yeah. You can see it on here if y'all wanna see. Yeah, that's them from having it. My house not dirty. That's the stuff at the store. But that's how it looks. And y'all can see. Okay, I'm back. I went and grabbed the other one that I already had. This is pomegranate Nior black. Pomegranate Nior. It still smells amazing. And the lady in there, she told me, she said, well, I can't tell you what to do, but why don't you just scrape the leftover wax that's at the bottom, take out the wicks, and then put that wax inside of a warmer and then do it like that. So I might do that, but I don't know. But baby, well worth every quarter. Okay, so I really want to got that just to show y'all, but I'm ready to put this one in the living room. It smells amazing, but my favorite still, until I burn this one and see how strong the throw is and everything, but my favorite is pomegranate Nior. So, but this one might be number 2, or it might pass up pomegranate, I don't know. But the throw is everything for me. That one is very, 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 very strong in this size. I'm gonna get me one that's what is the 21 ounce one? That's the size before this one, and see how strong it is. And I'm gonna get it in the pomegranate, just to see how strong it is and everything. And then I'll keep y'all posted on that. But I'm gonna put this in the living room today. Now, they also give you, they gave me 2 of these, but I gave the other one to my daughter. And it's just like little samples. They always give us goodies. And they were out of big ribbon for the bag, because usually they dress it up, they put tissue and all that out. They were out. So this is Peony and Blush Suede, their body cream. If you put the body cream on and then the spray, it lasts. My favorite is Red Roses and Nectar Honey Blossom. I might be wrong, I'm gonna put it in there, but those are my 2 favorite. A lot of people like this one. This is Wood Sage and Sea Salt. Trying to think. I think my sister likes this one. I don't know. So I might be gifting that to her. And here's that Lime Basil. Let's try and drop. Lime Basil and Mandarin. I want to also try this one in a home candle. So I'm going to see. Because a lot of people, they say this is their #1 scent. But if you just smell the candle, oh, I don't know. It has a little, to my nose, it has a little spice to it. But I don't know. You can smell the citrus. But that's more of a, citrus with me is more of a kitchen, and my living room and kitchen, the family area, all of it runs as one. So it may be good, but I don't know. So I might get that one in the 21 ounce also too, just to see. Because I know the small ones, I'm going to need about 3 of those to make it do what it do. So I might get that one in the 21 ounce. And then I might get a pomegranate in the 21 just to circulate, because I don't need 2 of these right now. I'm going to let this one burn and do its year as always. And then I have another little sample in here. What is this? Mimosa and what is it? Cardamom or cardamom. My baby sister likes this one. This is her. When we first went to Jo Malone some years ago, this was the one, Jo Malone. This is the scent that she really, really likes. So Mimosa and cardamom. Let me see. I think it's cardamom. I might be saying it wrong. Oh, boy. Does something pop to something. Look. I don't want to spray it on because I have scent on. Yeah, it's still not me. But my mother-in-law, we bought her a bottle of this one too. So, because brought her, we went to Neiman's and she picked the one she wanted. And this the one, and when I found out my sister had that, I was like, oh my goodness. I said, well, both of y'all have the same scent. So, but she picked that one out. And I don't know, I like Jo Malone. I like the scents. I like to, I would use those with Chanel. Like, I just do the different layering of Jo Malone, probably like that. Or I'll hit it here and hit it here, no rubbing, just put it on. And then layer it with something. So usually it's Chanel. And then sometimes if I do the LV scents, I usually just put them on by themselves. I don't layer those. But if I do layer them, I just mix them within each other. So maybe like the spell on you, y'all. I am loving it. I have the last 3 times that I've worn it, I've not layered it at all, and it smells amazing. But Corbaton is still number 1, and I have to go get a refill. So I was supposed to go today, but I don't know. I just be thinking about the traffic, and my salesperson, she was there, but I just was like, no. So I went to Sephora today, and I picked up, they have a 50% off daily thing, and today I just got the eyebrow Anastasia or something. So I did do that. But back to my gifts. So this is the box and everything. I'm gonna put that one back in the living room, and I'll show y'all where it's at. Well, I'll put a picture up probably. But this is, it's not LV. But we see the little terrified. It's not LV. This is something I also wanted. And it's from, it's from Saks. Okay. Now this one I have been wanting. This I guess style or something, and finally bought it, and I did get it on sale. Oh, open it. Hey, okay, so I'm gonna have to bust it open because there's no opening. Okay, I did get it on sale. It was 50% off instead of the $165. Cause I'm all for a sale, honey. I'm going to save coins when I can, because my handbags, I usually can't save a coin. So I'm going to save a coin when I can. And I will. But this is it's a dress. But I'm going to use it as a cardigan. Isn't that cute? And it's by, what is it? Staud? It's by Staud. I think y'all can see that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It is really... I know some people are like, oh, it's thick, it's too thick. But I like it. I like it. And I do want another one, but they don't have my size. They only have a small and I think a medium. And it's the tan and black, because that just thinks, to me, that I'm just Saints. That's the first thing I'm thinking, Saints. So, but yeah, that's what it's. So when I do style it, I'll put it on and show you guys. But I'm just, and it's long. Y'all know I'm short. Right now, just sitting here, it's at my feet. Well, past my feet. So we're going to have to see, because I think they have a shorter version. But it might be the dress, like the tank dress. But I wanted the button-up dress because I can use it as a cardigan. So, yeah, I'm going to have to style it and show y'all. But, yeah, I like that. What else did I have? Did I have something else to show y'all? No, I think that's it. I really just wanted to finally unbox this because it's been sitting here since Wednesday, I think. It's just been sitting in here waiting to get unboxed. And then this came Thursday or Friday? No, I might have got this Thursday, and then this came Friday because I had to order. They didn't have it in the store. And I think that's it. I'm trying to see. Yeah, that's it. I do have 2 more items that are coming, but one shows as a delay. And another item, I'm still in the air about. My husband asked me yesterday. He was like, so what you gonna do? I don't know. Because I'm thinking hard on this item. Well, it's 2 items, but I'm trying to decide which one I want. One's a new release item. The other one is, it's sort of new release in the size that it is. The size is what has gathered my attention. And I'm just trying to think and making sure I get something that I really, really like. I'm thinking hard in 2023 and more on what I'm going to order and what I'm going to have my client advisor order, because I have to be smart. I don't like wasting money. That is not me. I'm not a money wasting person at all. So, I don't know. I'm just thinking on that, y'all. But I just wanted to show y'all these goodies. And I'm about to go put my candle in the living room, and it's a little space where the other candle was. And that's all I gotta show y'all. So I thank y'all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. That's it. I just feel like I'm not giving y'all nothing today. But that's okay. I have more. I still have to get to our flights and our travel from Valentine's Day before April or May gets here. So I'm going to do that this week so you guys can look into it if you don't have it or something, or try to acquire it if you do, and hopefully be traveling for a couple cents or dollars or something instead of hundreds. Like, how much was our whole trip? $140, I think. Round trip, hotel, everything was $140. So yeah, we're gonna get to, and that's what we've been doing for years. For, I say almost probably over 10 years we travel. But honey, we travel very, very, very tasteful and very, very, very inexpensive. And we have been to some of the best resorts inexpensively. And once we go and visit some resorts, we tell our friends, in the next trip we have them come with us. So yeah, but we not breaking banks to travel, honey. But like I said, I'm gonna get down to the travel video, so you guys that may not know have something insightful to look forward to and to do and acquire probably. So let me stop rambling. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and I talk back to everybody. If you leave a comment, I'm gonna leave one and comment back with you, and we could probably even go back and forth talking about some bags or savings or something. So thank you again for watching, and happy birthday again to me, Pisces Rock, and I'll see y'all later.